channel, Learning Vietnamese. Today I will tell you how to pronounce sick tones in Vietnamese. Mid-level, high rising, low falling, low rising, high broken, and low broken. Let's come to see example. With mid-level, ma. With high rising, ma. With low falling, ma. With low rising, ma. With high broken tones is ma. And the last one, low broken, ma. And now here we go. I will have one more example for you guys to compare sick tones in Vietnamese. Do. That's the first one. The second, do. The next one, low falling, is do. And the next one is low rising, do. The next one is high broken, is do. And the last one is do. And you have to remember, in Vietnamese, the tones is very important, because if you pronounce different tones, that will be different words, and of course have other meaning. So make sure you have to understand the sick tones, how to going on, and how to pronounce it. So I hope this video can help you something. Bye bye.